Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am testing out dollar makeup that could make good stocking stuffers. So I did my whole face using all these products. If you guys are interested in seeing which ones worked out and which ones were complete failure, keep on watching. Perfect! Wow, I have never done that before. High five. So before I get into each individual product, I'm going to quickly run over all of them. So I will go by the order I usually apply my makeup. Firstly, that would be my brows. And I ended up finding this Hard Candy Trio. It has 2 powders and 1 little gel setting thing. I think it's gel, I'm pretty sure. And one of those little plastic brushes that they give you in the pack. So I don't know about this color. They didn't really have any other options. This was like the only generic shade. So I really hope it matches me. The next is a single eyeshadow trio by Colorspell. I have never heard of this brand before this, but these colors are gorgeous. They're the reason I picked them up. It has this coppery red tone, this like midnight blue, and the champagne glittery shade. They are very, very pretty and something that I will be reaching for a lot if they actually work out. I also got these 2 little eyeshadow palettes by L.A Colors. They are like these neutral tones. One is just a little bit more like pinkier and mauvier, and the other is more like a brown, like warm shades. These are definitely very wearable colors and something that I feel like I reach for a lot. They are like the size of my hand, if not smaller. So if they do work out, they'll actually be really good travel palettes. For lips, I decided to go safe and get a nude color. So I found these 2 little guys by, again, Colorspell. They look like something I usually go for and they're matte, so I figured why not. I also found these little lashes by L.A Colors. They're like a natural but dramatic, if that makes sense. They're very thin, but a lot longer than like what I usually go for. So I do hope that they don't look a little too crazy on me, but we will try them out. But they were also only $1. For highlighter, I went with this Liquid Glow. It is this like pretty champagne color, or at least I hope, based off the packaging. I actually, back in the day, I tried one of their bronzers and it was actually pretty nice. I liked it. So I hope it is the same formula as that one. And lastly, now, this item is not $1, but if you break it down, it is technically $1, you know, if you think about it. But I could not find every single category of makeup for only $1. So I had to expand and I got this little guy for contouring. It's basically this set with a brightening powder and a bunch of contouring and bronzing colors with a brush. And it retailed for $5. So like I said, if you break it down individually, it's actually even less than $1. So let's just count this in, okay? Okay. It's actually a lot more challenging to find something for a specific price. I actually went around like a billion stores, like no joke, and they just didn't have as many. It was like basically a bunch of eyeshadows and like lipsticks. Hardly any other category for like little items, I guess, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm gonna first go into my eyebrows, and fun little story here. I had a little blonde Daria moment before I started. I forgot I was doing my brows, so I did it before. So I had to erase them and redo them. Special person over here. These colors aren't that exciting. Honestly, this one looks green to me, at least in person. I don't know how the camera's gonna pick it up. So, I mean, it's not green, it just has like a green hue to it. It's just really weird. And I think you're supposed to use this wax. Yeah, it's wax. I think you're supposed to use it before, so let me do that. I'm gonna brush my brows with the wax and then go in with the powder. Okay, let's brush these suckers out. I just freshly dyed my brows and they look glorious, except I realized that once I dye my brows, you can see my bald spot. I have a bald brow. Okay, it's not technically bald, but I like to call it that because compared to the other guy, it's lacking in life. Okay, so this is quite chalky. You can see tiny little dots of white. So I'm trying to brush them out as much as I can. So like it doesn't leave any weird fleeky. All right, so I guess I'm gonna go into this lighter color first, the middle one. And let's start with this brow. Ooh, my gosh, that's actually kind of dark. I'm just gonna tap it off on my hand. That's a little too much. Whoa. Did not expect it to be that dark. Okay. Well, this has a lot more pigment than I imagined, which is surprising. Not bad. I don't know if the gel helped. I feel like it did because the powder is gripping on like a lot more. Like I can feel it with my brush. Like it doesn't feel dry. It feels like it's actually sticking. So perhaps the gel helped, which is very nice. Very nice. Oh my god, I just realized I forgot to use this brush. Stupid. It's a habit because I usually use this for my usual brows. So all I have to do is like flip it over and it's like, I don't know, I'm just so used to that my hands just did it without me. Okay, guys? All right, so my brows are all finished. I am very much surprised by them. I mean, they are, first of all, very bold. I kind of went a little overboard. This guy right here, his fault. But anywho, I am surprised how much pigment came off. I was expecting to have like chalky, barely visible brows, but dang, this has a lot. I am very surprised. Maybe I need to revisit Hard Candy again. I have not used their products in a really long time, and this is really making me reconsider. Next, let's move on to the eyeshadow. I am most excited about these little guys. So I think I'm gonna first go into a mix of these neutrals. I will not zoom in on this. Like again, this is not like a super detailed thing. I will probably just show you which color I'm going into. So let's, let me open these up first of all, because I can't really see how they look like in the inside. No more tape. Can't do this. Oh my goodness, get off of me. What do you want? All right, so let's look at these guys. Ooh, oh, these are so cute. These are like the little things that you see that are like so tiny and miniature. Like, look at that. How adorable. This is so cute. And these colors are like very wearable. Like this is something I usually like reach for. I love these shades. Okay, well, at least I'm going to give them this. The shades that they chose were very good. All right, so let me first go into like this one right here. It's like this this neutral one right there. I think it's like a perfect crease color. I'm going to use my Sona Kashuk Duo Fiber brush. Oh my god, my nail just dug into there. I am not having a great day, I can tell you that. I will not be using these little guys because just no. All right, so let's see how this goes. Not bad so far. Not bad. Okay, what should we do next? I forgot to mention Herpaderp. This one is called Classy, and then this one is called Sassy. They have these adorable names. All right, so I'm next gonna grab this shade right over here in the palette Sassy. It's like this more maroonish burgundy color. And I'm gonna start building up my crease. Oh, that's a lot of fallout. That's not good. Sometimes dry formulas and dual fiber brushes just don't get along. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Morphe M573 brush and try that one more time. Okay, no fallout, so I guess it was the dual fiber brush. Next, I'm gonna go into this mustardy color right here, and I am seeing a good bit of kick up, but it's not too bad because I kind of already predicted that just because of how dry the formulas are. I'm gonna go over right in the center and kind of soften up some of that burgundy color. Okay, next I'm gonna grab this pinkier shade right here and I'm gonna go right over the edges to kind of help smoke it out a tiny bit. Okay, so I really badly want to use these, so I'm actually gonna swatch these first just to see how the colors are, and maybe I can stick all of them on my lids. We'll see. Oh, interesting. So they're not circular. They're actually in a little square-ish design. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this purpley one is kind of struggling. Like it's not the most even color, but these two, ooh, those are rich. Definitely going to be using this copper one, and I'm probably going to use this champagne-y one, like on the corners, but I don't know about this purple one. All right, so I'm gonna take this coppery color. Okay, let's stick this guy all over my lid. Whoa, holy moly. That is a lot of pigment. Wow. Impressive. So I am very surprised with how creamy this is. I'm gonna grab a really thin brush and go into this champagne color and go around my tear duct. If it doesn't work, I will switch to my finger. I am so surprised. Whoa. All right, so I'm gonna do something I have a feeling I'm gonna regret. I'm gonna go into this purple color. Oh goodness, I'm scared. I'm gonna go back into this pinky color and soften up the edges because they look a little rough. So I realized this purple color cannot be put in the bottom whatsoever unless you just have like perfect creaseless lower lids, which in that case you're fine. But basically with the creases in the lower lids, it doesn't want to go on smoothly. I mean, it didn't even swatch that great, like compared to the other ones, like it's very blotchy. And that's basically how it went on the bottom lid. It was just like kind of breaking apart and falling out and basically just looking sloppy and getting everywhere rather than staying in that line where I initially put it. So definitely something only for the top lid. All right, so now for the lashes, I'm gonna quickly pop them on. Alrighty, so the lashes are on and I think they look pretty good. Like they don't look too terrible. A little bit long, but because they're not so like thick, you can pull them off. So not bad for only $1. They're kind of cute. All right, so next I'm gonna move on to the lips because I am tired of seeing them look disgusting. No, they're not dry. They're just healing slowly. So I wanna cover them up. So let's get into these guys. I am gonna swatch them both just to see what color they are. It has that smell, like that weird, like chemically smell. Not that crazy about it. Okay, so cute color would match, but let's see this one because I like this orangey hue. Ooh, yes. This is the color I want for sure. Oh, ew. Oh no. Ew. The color is very pretty. My lips are literally sticking together. Ew. Like, look at that. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Oh, ew, that's so disgusting. And it's already like from the sticking together, already 2 seconds after putting it on, it's like it's gone. Ew, that is so gross. I've never felt that from a matte liquid lipstick. My lips literally feel like they're being glued together. That is very horrible. Ew, okay, I'm taking that off. I cannot have that. This color is very, very pretty. It like matches my whole eye look and everything, but heck no, I'm not wearing this. Okay, well, that was a fail. Finally. Let's finish my face. We're gonna move on to the contour palette. Color Workshop. Interesting. Also never heard of them. This one right here honestly looks kind of like a blush. Let me swatch that. Ooh, feels good. Oh, I think that could be used as a blush. Maybe. Maybe not actually. Okay, let's look at this brush. This brush actually really intrigued me. It looked like a nice shape. Wow, actually feels really, really soft. I'm gonna go into this color right here and contour. Ooh, that's a lot of fallout. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Ooh, it's not bad. I'm not too crazy about this color. I feel like it kind of looks a little like muddy. Gosh, look at that. That's crazy. Like I barely, oh, wow. I want to say this is like a skin finish shade. Like it's not really for contouring because I think it's just too light. Let's go into this shade here. Oh, this doesn't have fallout, or at least not as much. Okay, I'm gonna try to use it as blush because it kind of looks like a blush to me, quite honestly. Ew. Oh, that's not cute. Oh no. That's like a weird shade. Ew. It just looks muddy. Like I feel like my face looks muddy. It just looks, I don't know, something about it is just weird. I don't like it. I'm gonna grab the Real Techniques foundation brush and go into this lightest shade right here. Also a ton of fallout. Holy moly, what is wrong with these colors? That's so much. Oh wow, I am covered. I'm gonna try to highlight myself and put some underneath and brighten up my under eyes and like everything basically because my cheeks do not look good. I am very, very unhappy with the way my cheeks are looking right now. Yeah, this is definitely the better one, I think. Out of all of them, it's kind of helping brighten up some of this weird murkiness that's going on. I think this is like a fail, honestly, too, because The only okay shade is this one. And even that, like, look how messy this looks. This is, I wasn't even digging my brush in. I was just tapping and it looks crazy. Like, what the heck? Do you see all of this? Yeah, I don't think this is good whatsoever. So, that's the fail. Je highlight. Okay, so please don't disappoint. Let's swatch this as well. Oh my God, it's coming out. Ah! Ooh, that's a pretty color. Stop. Why is it coming out? I'm not even pushing it. Okay, there it goes. I think it was just pressure built up. This looks like liquid champagne. That is so pretty. Wow. Oh my God, that's blinding. Holy crap, that's actually so pretty. It's like, it has like the most gentle pink undertone to it. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Okay. Okay, this might work. Maybe a little too bright. Let's smudge it out. Maybe I should have put this on like a brush. It probably would blend in a lot more smoothly because I am having to work this in quite a lot. It doesn't look bad. It's just, I think it's gonna look a lot more nicer with the foundation rather just like on a dry powder. All right, so it looks really pretty. It's like this super, super bright champagne-y pink color, but this is definitely a success. This color is stunning. Like, look at that. That is crazy. I did not expect that. Well, I'm glad we're finishing up on a good note, considering that like half of these were horrible. So I hope this video was helpful for any of you guys who were wondering about any of these particular products and which ones were good and which ones were bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to see future videos like these and like this video if you enjoyed it. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye! Have really dry lips and they get significantly Take 4. Out some dollar stocking stuffer makeup. That's a mouthful. Not that crazy about it.